Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Time Out with Yomi Martins. And we'll be doing a quick review of gold for next week. That will be September 4th. And we'll be looking at what can happen to gold so that we can prepare ourselves, and that's actually also for the month. Now I don't like reinventing the wheel because if somebody else has done a very good analysis, I feel I should just encourage that person. This is a very good review by Ann Keats, one of my friends, and I want to share this with you. So let's just go ahead with it. I'll make some comments on it as well.
Good bullish week for gold has come to an end where gold has closed at the key support levels at 1940. Yes, in last week we have discussed that probably we might see a symmetrical candle and the resistance at 1954 are going to be stronger. 1946.5, 1954 levels. These two levels we discussed several times in our daily and weekly analysis as well. Precisely, gold has got the resistance and closed at the support levels. So now what to expect from gold next week? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold? We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators, and towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. And this is going to be applicable not only for next week but for the entire month. We are going to review the behavior of gold in the month of September. Watch till the end. Press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets which I share for gold, first with the Asia Europe session, next with the US session. These two daily updates definitely adds meaning to your day trading decisions, and thus press the bell icon, join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates as well. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, your every like, share, subscribe and comment is a great support, motivation, inspiration for me to deliver to the best of.
Yeah, basically, Time Out with Yomi Martins, we are always giving you good content. So like, share, subscribe to this channel, Time Out with Yomi Martins, and ensure that you press on your notification bell also. Please comment so that I know that you're following me. I will appreciate that so that I keep on giving you content.
My abilities day.
Just $99 can change your whole life. Let me show you how. For just $99, you can get $15,000 funded account from FundNext. And you can use those funds to...
Yeah, sorry.
Every day. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. With that, let's start. Now, first let's have a look at the weekly chart. See symmetry here. Almost symmetrical candles and then these two symmetrical candles. Now, one more point. Gold was trading so far in this bearish channel, and if you look at the long term, this is also the flag formation here from the bottom. So this was a good bullish flag. Now it has tried to break out beyond this channel, though it is closed well within, but it tried and attempted to break out of this channel. Thus, next week again, if gold stays out of this channel, gives a breakout, I think this is going to be a bigger breakout where one can even expect it to hit 1980-85 zone. This is the hurdle gold has to pass by. If it stays above 1980 to 85 levels, certainly you can expect that this is a stronger breakout and this is going to stay for long in the coming weeks. This is very, very important. And it also appears that there is a very strong probability that it can show up a rise till 1980-85 levels. There is a very strong probability. Now look at what has happened. Drop.
Even when you look at the lower time frames, right, not even 1 week, I was already sensing 1980, right, which he already mentioned right now. So let's just go on.
Consolidation here, achieving lower lows, then retracement to the highs, then this drop. Now see, this drop failed to break or failed to achieve the bottom of the channel here. This suggested that the bulls are back here, and that is why we recommended a buy last week. Now, we have to be cautious and watchful next week, because see, this next week is going to be critical, decisive move for the month of September, because this move for the next week is going to decide its future course of action, as the critical levels are very, very nearby. First at 1955, then 1963, then 72, and then 85. So these are almost critical resistances here in this zone. Thus, definitely it will find stronger hurdles, stronger resistance on the upside. Now, this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily. See, on the daily charts, we have seen it is staying bearish here for a couple of weeks. And look at the slope here. The slope here and the slope here. This was much gradual. This was much steep. Till here it was steeper, but then consolidation happened and then it is rallied again. Now see, first base here at around 1885, then the next base is now created at 1914, 1920 zone, and with that we have seen a rise again. Now what has happened towards the end of the week, it has shown a good swing candle. You can see a sharper swing here and closing the day on a doji. Also, you can see the candle here. There is a bigger wick on the upside and a smaller tail on the downside. Suggested that the downside support is stronger and the upside resistance is there. However, it has shown a break. So now for the first trading session next week, if it opens lower, breaks below 1934 and then 1930 levels, you can treat this as a reversal. Below 1930, we can expect 1924-25 first target, and then this is the zone which I will look forward to. Any break below 1914 is the only indication that yes, gold has turned bearish. As long as 1914-16 levels are.
And also beware, there is a fair value gap somewhere here, right, which is around that 1922 thereabouts, right? So he's actually saying a very correct thing. There's a fair value gap somewhere around that zone, which we should all watch.
Respected, do not treat gold as bearish for the week and for the month. Now, on the daily chart, see, it has come out of this channel. It has closed above the channel. This is suggestive of a breakout here. A good bullish momentum is what I will look forward to, because yesterday's move or the last trading session's move, despite having a momentum, it has erased the gains here. And thus, it is suggested that still the bulls and bears are having a indecision mind that which direction they want to take. So definitely next week we will see the momentum there, and a good breakout above first 1954-56 zone, then again 1963-65 levels. These are going to be resistances which it needs to pass by in order to continue with the momentum. Also, you can see here couple of attempts to break beyond this zone, and thus this is going to be the strongest one. Only and only if gold stays above 1980-85 levels, you can treat this as a reversal, complete reversal. Now let's have a look at the month. Now see, this is very, very important, because the preceding candle closed in red for gold. You can see, but
Sorry about all this progress. I'm going to remove it right now.
But
Thank you.
see the tail here and the body here. Body was very small compared to the complete movement. This suggests that yes, it has the strength to continue with the upward. If the candle would have been, or body size would have been more than half of this complete move, if it would have been this much red, that would be a point where I could have said that the next monthly candle is again going to be a bearish one. But right now it appears that the bulls here have taken the control and prices failed to stay bearish. That is why we can see a pull. And the new candle started on a greener note, on a bullish note. It tried to rise and it has achieved the lows as well. Hence, for next week, definitely first, this zone is also going to be critical. You can see three candles almost either opening or closing at these levels, and thus 63-65 levels is going to be the next resistance zone. And beyond this, we can look forward to higher highs in the month of September, which might take the prices above 2000 levels again. Let's also have a look with the help of indicators now. On the indicators part, you can see the prices tried to approach the 20 period moving average here on the monthly charts. almost going closer to it. See, 1860 levels where the month 20 period monthly average was sitting here. Now it has gone close to it and has bounced back. That is the first part. Also, second part here on the candles here is, see, if it stays below 1980, you can again expect that the candle might turn red later in the month. Everything is possible. These are markets. And then if you see it is staying below 1940, not next week, but in the coming few weeks, you can expect more bearishness may prevail, and then you have to observe 19, 14, 16 levels on the downside, below which only the bearishness will be confirmed. Right now, if you look at the momentum, see, rise, flag, and a breakout above 2000 is what will be confirmation of a bullish move or the bulls in gold in the next forthcoming months. So this breakout can happen in September, or we have to wait for a month. That is what we have to look forward to, how much time it is going to take. I expect if it stays above 1965 levels, more bullish momentum will be seen in the September month, and then specifically beyond 1980-85 levels is where the bulls will take over completely, and we can see a stronger breakout about 2000 levels. Yes, right now it is forming a good flag here. I will wait for this to give a clear-cut decision. Stochastic has dropped here on the monthly charts. The MACD. Now see, MACD on the monthly charts has crossed over here. I have told you several times that this crossover, first of all, has come after a long bearish momentum for almost a year or so. After that, it has stayed green and it has converged here. Now see, the prices were divergent. It has not yet crossed over. It has converged, and it can continue with the upward move from here. See what has happened here. After bearish move, it has converged here, then the bearishness continued. Now after bullish move, it has converged here, and the bulls might continue. Now why this could happen? You can see since 2000, gold has stayed above this zone in MACD, then this sharp drop, then again you can see a sharp rise to the highs. Now see, this crossover at this zone has happened after long.
Okay, guys. This is what I'm gonna do. I personally do not concentrate on indicators and all that stuff, so I'm gonna leave it right here. You already have an idea of what gold is gonna do from September, or from Monday, right? September 4th or 5th. I'm getting it wrong right now. But let's just keep it real. It can either go up or down, but you know you have possibilities down and all that. So let's be watchful. Let's keep in tune with our support and resistance line, and let's also know that there are possibilities of it getting above 1950 to even 1980. So keep safe, trade safe, take care of yourself. Subscribe to the channel, please. Before you leave, subscribe, like, and comment. Take care.